Hello everyone, my name is Pawan and you're watching RM India Hair YouTube channel. Today I would like to thank all of our clients on behalf of RM India Hair for taking their time to write us their feedbacks in text messages and even sharing their voice recordings. It really delights us and inspires us to serve our customers better and better in future. So please keep supporting us, keep showing your love. And today in this video we'll cover the feedbacks that we received in voice recordings. So stay tuned and enjoy.
Hi there, I'm a RM Indian hair customer and I live near London. I just wanted to say I've been very impressed so far with the service I've received from them. I've been really specific about the curls and wave patterns I want in my extension hair and also the correct shade of natural hair that I'm after. And they've been very good at finding me the exact match, and the quality has also been really good. The most important thing for me, though, is how responsive they've been to any inquiry and the willingness to help with any specifications. I definitely recommend this company.
RM Indian Hair sells the best raw hair. I'm from the UK and I've tried so many different Indian raw hair vendors, and RM Hair is the best one for me. They have the best quality hair, really healthy, thick, and it lasts forever. I wouldn't go nowhere else. He supplies the best hair with the best deals, and it's just brilliant hair. I can't complain at all regarding his hair quality. It's just fabulous. It's the best.
I love RM Indian Hair. I think they're absolutely amazing. The communication is very, very efficient. I can come to them with any questions or any concerns, and I know that they will be honest and genuine with me. And the hair is just absolutely gorgeous. I can tell that the hair is authentic Indian hair and it lasts for a very long time. I've had the hair for almost a full year, and it's the hair gets bone straight and it's still full of natural luster. The shedding is very minimal in the hair, and I'm just so grateful to have our Indian hair that provide me with my hair needs for my hair company.
Hi, Pawan. This is Debbie. I just wanted to leave you a message about the hair that I got this time. The curly hair, it's amazing. I just sent you some photos, and the curly hair is so gorgeous. It's the two bundles and the closure. I got to make a beautiful full head of the most magnificent curls, and they look so natural. I washed it and they're so silky and soft and curly. Once I gave it to the customer, she was so happy. She's in love with it. She gave me an update. She says it still looks like Diana Ross. So that was what she wanted, and she's super, super happy. And I wanted to update you on my cancer patient as well. My cancer patient that I ordered the hair for, that I made that beautiful bob. It's so soft and silky. She's also really, really happy because she is on chemo. So I had to be very, very careful about the hair that I ordered. It had to be 100% human. It had to be clean, and it had to be completely natural. You know how I was worried about that, but she's really happy. It's really easy to take care of. She says it's very easy, and it's shiny and beautiful and silky, and it looks like it was her old hair. Remember, I sent you a photo. I made the wig just like that. And she says that it makes her feel like herself again. So she sends her thanks.
Okay, so I'm from the Caribbean and I've been working with RMI for almost a year now, and I can honestly say that RMI has the best hair extensions that I've ever tried. Starting from the coloring, the textures, like it's premium hair for sure, as they say it is, and it's top quality. Their service is top quality, like we communicate very good with each other, we understand each other, we have trust, we trust each other. So that's the number one thing for me for sure, especially working out with vendors out of your own country. So RMI was the best for me, and I recommend this to everyone who wants to start their own hair business to work with RMI because you won't be disappointed at all.
I've been doing business with RM Hair Extensions for a while now, and I can honestly say that it was the best decision for me when it came to raw Indian hair. I've tried other vendors and they do not provide the quality of hair that I was looking for. Whenever I have an issue, whether it be, when is my package coming, they always answer questions promptly. I just really appreciate their honesty when it comes to purchasing bundles or frontals. If I'm very iffy about anything, I get the answer I need ASAP. So I will say and recommend that RM Raw Indian Hair is a good investment if you plan on starting a business and providing quality hair to your customers. This will be the best choice.
Ciao a tutti, non è la prima volta che compro i capelli dal nostro amico, in realtà ho notato la qualità, io sono uno specialista in extension e posso dire che questi sono capelli indiani al 100% di ottima qualità. Continuerò a comprare da questo nostro amico, un bacio a tutti, Dottor Extension, kwaliteit.
Al 17 jaar ben ik werkzaam in mijn vakgebied. Sindsdien ben ik op zoek naar een goede haarleverancier. Naast dat het haar van topkwaliteit is mijn contact met de leverancier ook gebaseerd op een goede vertrouwensbasis. Met al mijn wensen en ideeën kan ik hier terecht. De leverancier is ook altijd meedenkend in mijn wens of idee. Ik ben helemaal tevreden.